What's up, guys? I wanted to make this video because I wanted to do a public service announcement. I just bought this. This is a anti-choking device, okay? It's like this, and you kind of, in the case of an emergency, someone's choking, you pull it, and you put it on your face, and you basically pull it. But this is the cheaper version on Amazon, which is like 19 bucks that I bought. I wanted to buy it just to see if it worked or not, because I saw reviews on YouTube. There's especially a short where this guy was testing generic versions compared to the official versions, which are like the LIFEVAC, which is much more expensive, probably 4 times the price. And I gotta say, these suck. These are not good. It doesn't suck, because it doesn't actually suck. I should say that. But this thing is terrible. This, alternative for the LIFEVAC, which is this choking rescue device. I just bought it, and here it is. This is it. And I gotta say, this doesn't work. This is a very cheap knockoff. That's why the price is so cheap. I was buying it to test it out to see if it actually works or not, and the suction is terrible. I know on YouTube right now that they're showing how there are alternative LIFEVAC devices that look like it, and one of the guy in the shorts was twisting it to let you know that it's cheap. It's true. Look at this thing, actually twists. Here's the knob, right? You can see the knob. Look at me twist it off the base. See that? And it doesn't even hold suction even against the table. This thing is like a air-filled sack, right? And the valve is, it's true, it's right in the middle here. There is no valve on the outside here. So like, even with my hand, you can feel that there's like very little suction, but it doesn't hold whatsoever. If it actually held any suction, it should hold on this flat surface table, which it does not whatsoever. It's not even worth it. So here it is, and I tried this on my own face. I tried it earlier, and this produces no suction whatsoever. This handle is so tiny, right? There's no suction. It's like this very slight suction, but that's not enough to, dislodge something that's from your throat. So yeah, believe the YouTube videos that tell you these knockoffs are not worth the money. That's the reason why they're only just a portion of what a LIFEVAC costs. And so yeah, I put the link down below for the LIFEVAC. Make sure you get that one. Do not cheap out on life-saving devices. When you need it, you definitely need it, and you'll be happy that you paid for the more expensive one. Here is the box that it came in with. This is the whole device. This is the instructions, right? And it also came with a child's mask. Definitely do not buy this one. This is not the one you want. Alright, so now instead, I just purchased the actual LIFEVAC. And this is just a PSA warning for everybody that's in the market for this LIFEVAC. This one is going to save lives. And I'll test this when it comes.